Example 2. The particle of mass 0.5 kg is kept on a horizontal circular platform. The distance of the particle from the center of the platform is 2 meter. The coefficient of friction between the particle and the platform is 0.4. Find the maximum angular speed of the platform about a vertical axis passing through its center so that the block is relatively at rest on the platform. So let us see. So there was a disk. This disk is rotating about the vertical axis. There was a particle which is placed on the disk whose mass is 0.5 kg. From the center, which is at 2 meter, and the coefficient of friction between the mass and the disk is given, which is 0.4. So the question is, what is the maximum angular velocity with which the disk can rotate? By that the mass also can rotate along with it. So here the friction will act as a centripetal force. Friction is the one which supports the mass to rotate along with the disk. So friction will act as a centripetal force, which is mv square by r, or F is can be written as m, V can be written as r omega. So r square omega square by r get cancelled. So friction is equal to m r omega square. Friction can be written as mu into n, which is equal to m r omega square. Mu is 0.4, where whose weight is acting downward, which is mg, and normal will act in the upward direction, where normal is equivalent to weight. So in the place of normal we can write mg, which is equal to mr omega square. Mm get cancelled. So 0.4 into 10, which is 4, is equal to r is 2 omega square. So omega square is equal to 2. So omega is equal to under root 2 radian per second. So the maximum angular velocity with which the disk can rotate is 2 radian per second.